Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Welcome my people, Dancehall skilla here again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. Big up my people. See, alright my people, now I saw more than one pieces of videos that shows a man who climbed on the top of a part of the transport center that's located in Halfway Tree, Jamaica. Yes, I got the understanding that a man climbed on top of a part of the transport center structure that's located in Halfway Tree, Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. And what the man had done caught the attention of quite a number of persons. See me? A lot of persons saw the person on top of a part of the transport center and started to speculate. Some wondered. In my point of view, I think that some persons somewhat concerned about the person's safety of viewers and subscribers. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show the same person that I'm talking about, and you can hear some words that the person said in this piece of video, viewers and subscribers. Alright, observe and tell me what you think.
Daybreak on top of the Halfway Tree Transport Center, highlighting the need for welfare for the firefighters. No retreat, no surrender. We need a better Jamaica. No retreat.
Alright, now I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, but let me read some words from a news article that I saw about this whole situation. Yes, I'm going to read some words from a news article, viewers and subscribers, and I hope that you hear the person said some words that also includes firefighters. I hope you hear that, you understand? Alright, so listen this now, my people. See? The news article said that a firefighter who was suspended for an earlier act of protest against his employer, the Jamaica Fire Brigade, is at it again on Tuesday in a more dramatic manner, placing himself atop the imposing Halfway Tree Transport Center in St. Andrew. So the same news article called the person Sergeant Leo Bennett and said that the person is again demanding urgent attention to the welfare needs of firefighters, and other words have been said in the same news article, viewers and subscribers. But let me read this part of the article. So this part of the article said that Sergeant Bennett has been off the job since last year, viewers and subscribers. This article said last year, May, when he was suspended for breaching the fire brigade's regulations, and he's awaiting a hearing, viewers and subscribers. I say now, if all of these words that I read in this news article are actually accurate and also true, then viewers and subscribers, I wonder how is all of this that he had done is going to affect that person. You understand me? I also got the understanding that police and firefighters also arrived at the location. You understand me? Here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, pertaining to the same situation. Look, listen and observe for yourself.
Live from Halfway Tree, look there. So I'm on the top of the transport center. Yeah man. See the police there. Fire truck just brought the one-way come. Yeah man, live Halfway Tree right now. I know we reach up that, so see there.
Quite a number of pieces of videos out on social media about this whole situation, my people. I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, but let me say certain things first. That's really dangerous. No, that's really dangerous, my people. You know, I'm not trying to be disrespectful to anyone. I'm not trying to say anything bad, you know. But I'm just telling you, like, when we say that's all really dangerous, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? All right. So I'm going to leave the video with you, viewers and subscribers. I want you to look and listen to this video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think, and I think this is it. So, big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Stay safe. Walk good. Here's the video. Observe.
Somebody could have tell me what caused this in Halfway Tree in the early morning at 7:27 a.m. Why this man up on top of the transport center with a flag, with a Jamaica flag? First he was stooping down and now he's standing up.